Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley of Yours Naturally 11 here on YouTube, where I make natural hair videos, family videos, makeup tutorials. You never know what I might just put out there. I hope that 2021 is treating you well so far. I know that I am excited for a new year and for what it has in store for me and for you. But today I'm here to talk about Redken's brand new hottest launch, and that is their acidic bonding concentrate range. I partnered with Redken to share with you my personal and honest thoughts about the new product launch that is launching in February. So this is going to be a really exciting launch for the brand. I've already used it on my hair, and I can tell you already the results speak for themselves. So these are the products. It is a 3-step system that consists of shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in treatment. Now their bonding care complex consists of citric acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid. If you don't know, the hair is acidic. It has a pH balance of 4.5 to 5 on the pH scale. The reason why citric acid is so important in this collection is because water, which we put on our hair every single day, has a natural pH of 7. So if water has a natural pH of 7, it can definitely cause damage to our hair. So anyway, this particular line is made to protect your hair against damage from water, heat, color services, mechanical damage, which comes from styling and stretching and even protective styles. All of that can be damaging, and the Redken acidic bonding concentrate range is made specifically for those types of things. So the shampoo has 7% of their bonding care complex, the conditioner has 11%, and the leave-in treatment has 5%. So to go down the very wonderful list of benefits that this range has to offer you, let me tell you a little bit about it, or a lot of bit about it, because it has a lot of benefits. So if you use the system as a whole, it can lessen your breakage to up to 56%. So while you're using it, you have 56% less damage to your hair. It protects your hair from color fade. It produces intense conditioning. It protects your hair for up to 450 degrees, which is very high, by the way. Please do not let anybody touch your hair with 450 degrees. Whew, that's the hairstylist in me, I have to let you know. It reinforces weakened bonds, so not only is it going to protect your hair, but it's actually going to reinforce the bonds in your hair to create a strong strand of hair. Your hair is 11 times smoother when you're using the system. You will have 82% less visible split ends and fairy knots, as we use in the natural world, or single strand knots as we like to call it. It tames frizz, adds shine, and strengthens the hair from within. What doesn't it do? So yes, I've used this product before. I used it one time, and this is how it came out. I will show y'all a little before picture or video of my hair before I used the range, and then now after. So my hair is, the curls are popping a lot more. I have a lot less frizz. My hair is a lot more moisturized than it usually is after wash day. So I'm very pleased with my result. I used the shampoo first, and let me tell you about this amazing shampoo. The shampoo produces a really beautiful, nice, velvety, buttery, rich lather. Okay, the first shampoo was a little hard. I had to work it up a little bit because my hair was so dirty. Yes, shameful of me, but that's typical because I wait at least a week before I shampoo my hair. The second time around that I used the shampoo, my hair was so slippery that I can actually detangle with it. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I do not settle for a shampoo that does not detangle my hair. This shampoo detangled my hair so much so that I did not need anything but my fingers, like literally like butter, actual butter, okay? And when I rinsed it out, even my hair was so moisturized after that. It felt like I just conditioned my hair, which is an A+ in the shampoo department. Shampoos are usually just like a hit and miss for me. So this shampoo was out of this world, knocked my socks off, like legit amazing. The acidic bonding concentrate conditioner was really thick. You can see that in the consistency that it's like almost like a butter, very thick and very nourishing. on the hair. I did have to apply a little bit more because the product is so thick. That's whenever you add more water to your hair so that the product can distribute evenly throughout the hair. But it was amazing and luxurious and just buttery and slippery. I can detangle my hair even though my hair was already detangled. So I really loved how the conditioner felt on my hair. I left it on for about 5 minutes or so, just to get some extra benefits from the conditioner. But after I rinsed it out, it felt amazing and so soft and smooth. So when it came down to the leave-in, I love Redken's leave-ins because they all have that very familiar texture to it. Like, I'm trying to describe it. It's almost like a styling product in terms of like the consistency. If you're trying to get an idea as to how the collection smells, it just smells like a really nice floral perfume maybe. I don't know, it just smells really fresh and nice. This formula is very concentrated, so you don't have to use a lot of anything. Actually, the shampoo, conditioner, or the leave-in, you don't have to use a lot because it's concentrated. So a little goes a long way with the leave-in. Although it is very light, it is very slippery on the hair and allows you to detangle your hair and prep your hair for whatever style that you're about to do. So it didn't interfere with any of my products that I used. I did use a gel in my hair to style it, so it did not clump. It did not cause any type of stickiness to the hair or anything like that. So I love when a conditioner can work with my styling products. It's a must. If it doesn't, then it gotta go. But this one worked really well, and it really did a good job at basically preconditioning my hair for the styling process. So this range worked really nicely on my hair. I'm looking at it and honestly, I'm very impressed just by the overall feel of my hair. My hair feels a lot smoother. It's a lot less frizzy. And it just overall, I'm just very pleased with it. So maybe your hair's not damaged or anything, or compromised or color treated, or maybe you don't use heat on your hair at all, but that doesn't mean that you don't need preventative measures, because we do a lot of things in our hair care routine that can create damage that isn't necessarily from heat or from color or bleach. So being a professional hairstylist, I get a lot of clients who come in and their hair is completely straight in the front, and I'm like, what happened? So they're like, I mean, I don't know what happened. I just pull my hair up in a puff, you know, whenever I'm getting lazy. So they're like, I don't use heat in my hair. I don't do anything damaging to my hair. Like, I don't have color treated hair. I'm like, well, guess what it is? It's mechanical damage. Basically, they pull their hair up in a puff so much that the elasticity in their hair just gives out. They have no more elasticity in their hair from the friction of the puff. So over time, their hair just gets permanently straight around the perimeter, especially in the front, because that's where we tend to smooth it out the most. So that is mechanical damage. So before a protective style, that is the perfect way to incorporate this particular range in your hair care routine. So maybe you don't put protective styles in your hair. Maybe you're like, well, then why do I need this? Like, I don't put protective styles in my hair. I don't use heat on my hair. None of that. So like I said, water can damage your hair. You can get hydro fatigue and you can create a problem with water. So this particular product line is great for that. I would use it every other time I shampoo and condition my hair. That way I'm at an even balance between my normal routine and then my preventative routine. Honestly, y'all, I'm thinking about coloring my hair. Again, y'all heard it first, and not just coloring it. I'm talking like blonde. I know I said I wasn't gonna do it. I know I said I wasn't gonna do it. So if you're about to do a color service or something that you know is gonna be particularly damaging to the hair just naturally, definitely use the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate range weeks before so that you can prepare your hair for the color service. Now, these products will be available in stores and online February 2021. So by the time you see this, it should already be out, and each product is gonna retail for $30. So you can get this entire collection under $100. Compared to other brands that try to compete with this particular range, you know that that is an amazing price. That's all I'm gonna say. No shade, no shade. That is an amazing price. So if you are looking to completely transform your hair care routine or your hair in general, definitely check out the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. It is gonna change your routine. I promise you, I already saw results in the first use, and it's only been one time. So I already know that with consistency comes improvement. And I think that this is definitely going to be the product line that I reach for preventative measures and for my hair to be in optimal health. So if you want more information on the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate, down below I'm going to give y'all all the information in the description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, leave some positivity and some light down below in the comments, and tell me, what is your hair concern? What would you improve about your hair? Not texture, we're not going to talk about texture. What would you improve about your hair, if anything? Would it be the shine? Would it be the body? Would it be what would it be? Comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.